I need a haircut. Let's go get a haircut. Oh yeah, that'll do. Yeah, it's cold, huh?
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's winter time. We're gonna be working on the truck today. Our goal is to drive it. I don't know how safe it will be to drive it. We haven't tested any brakes or anything. We've also found a bed for it. Eventually we're gonna have to take the bed off of the truck. I don't know if we'll get to that point today because I'm under a time crunch to get that new bed from the guy that I bought it from.
Yes.
Yes. You're a man of many words.
I know.
You know what we should do? We should go work on this truck. Should we work on the truck?
Yes.
Yes, we should. You're a man of one word. And the answer is?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go work on a truck.
Yes.
Yes, Dad. Yes. So Tavish is underneath the truck trying to get the drive line reconnected so that we can take this bad boy for a drive. Finally getting this thing on the road. Let's do it. So this is how I wind up my tie downs, and I store them like this so that they don't get all tangled up. You can throw them underneath your seat. You can keep them all in a box all together, but they'll stay connected. They won't come undone until you're ready to use them again. Hold up. Okay, go again. Okay, go ahead. What happened?
I don't know. I was tapping it, and then once I started going.
Testing the fuel pump. I'm pretty sure we have the wrong size of fuel pump. We're not getting enough fuel to the carburetor to keep the thing running. We were literally about to pull the blocks out and pull it out for a drive, and it just died the more gas we gave it, even though the engine was actually starting to warm up. So we're probably going to order an electronic fuel pump to see if we can just bypass the mechanical fuel pump and get some additional pressure to the fuel system itself. So we're moving on to the next part of the project. That sound you hear is Tavish under there removing the mount bolts that hold this bed on. I found one for $350. It's in a lot better shape than this one. It still has a little bit of rust. We're still gonna have to do some things to it, but this one is completely shot, and I'll give you some close-ups of that so you can see what I'm talking about. But Tavish is ripping that thing apart, and we're gonna see if we can get it loose. Let me show you this thing up close and personal, and we'll see how far we can get. probably spinning the bolt too. Go ahead and just try and see if it spins. Yep, hold up, it's just spinning up top too. We were able to get all of the bolts out of the bed. There's a total of 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. Some of them we did have to use a grinder with a cutoff wheel to get out. We did some damage to the bed, but we really don't care because the bed's going away. This is the worst one that we dealt with. I was just learning what it's like to be a mechanic without a garage. I'm pretty sure he loves it. We made more progress than we thought we would on the bed, so we went ahead and turned the heater off because don't do dumb stuff. We're disconnecting the filler lines for the front and rear tanks, and then this bed is free and ready to be lifted off. So as soon as he gets done disconnecting that last hose, we're gonna get that bad boy off of there. Awesome, let's do it. Good progress today. What's going on, boy? Let's do it. This stupid, get that thing off there.
I'm trying. I'm going to town on it now. I'm pissed.
This is the very last thing holding this bed on.
See, I've been having.
Yep, there. We're ready. Okay.
Oh boy.
What's going on? What's holding us up? Up over the bumper though, you're not up over the top of it. We're up against the bed. What's happening? Against the cab. Where's 6 of your strongest friends? Oh, there's so much of you came
Oh my goodness, this looks easy.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, set it down there. We're good. Got it. That's good. Don't put your fingers. Okay, set your head down all the way down. Come to this side. I don't want anybody over there. We're not doing dumb stuff. We're doing dumb stuff, but we're doing it as smart as possible. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Woo! That's like a brand new truck now.
That is cool. That's actually so cool.
We got our drive shaft connected. We tried to drive this thing today.
You did?
We tried. We were just about to pull the blocks and close the hood, and it goes boop, 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 boop. Die. We can never get started again. Woo! So we were a little disappointed that we weren't able to actually drive the truck. Turns out we've got some carburetor issues we've got to work out. So we're going to be working on that, see if we can get the engine tuned up and ready to go a little bit better. We were able to make some really good progress, as you saw, removing the bed. In the next video, we're going to be getting the new bed, the new to us bed, to put on the truck. Cleaning up the frame and getting it painted and primed and then undercoated. I want to put an undercoating on it to just kind of help protect it and make sure that we don't have an ongoing rust problem that gets worse and worse. So be sure and like and subscribe. Also check the link down below for some swag. Get yourself some swag and help support us in this build. There will be links to the shirt that we've put together to help us support this build in this truck, and then I also have some that are just specific to our channel and that sort of thing. So this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto. thanks for checking in and watching us in this build process. We'll see you guys in the next video.